Hello dear friends, welcome to our KHTV YouTube channel. We are farming to about earthquake updates. Occurred information in China. According to the German search geostations and second volcano discovery reported, the epicenter was recorded Shaloda. Moderate magnitude 4.2 earthquake, 113 kilometers east of Xinjiang, China on Tuesday. 26 April 2022 occurred at 9 hours 17 minutes AM local time, and its depth was recorded at 10 kilometers. Like, share, subscribe and press bell to our channel for more information. Thank you.